Hey y'all, and welcome to our channel. Today, Lil and I are about to go on the adventure, and we want to take y'all along with us. So we're going to Wellington, and it's my first time going. We're flying, so let's head up to the airport. Before we do, come trade, travel, and eat with Lil and I by hitting that subscribe button now. Let's go.
Hey everyone, so while Mike is just filling up petrol, we stopped at one of our favourite bakeries in Potatadu to Bevs Delight to grab one of their famous savouries. So they have mint savouries, they have bacon, mushroom and cheese savouries, and bacon and mushroom savouries. So this is the mushrooms and bacon savoury. They're delicious. They're so good. Worth a road trip just to come here and get one of these. They make them the real old school way. Really nice firm pastry, buttery pastry that doesn't collapse and fall apart. I love them. We don't always come to Bevs because often when we're on the road and we're making our way up north ways, they're not open. So it's only just after 2 p.m. today and they were open. So it's a late lunch for us. And Mike got, as usual, his shumai stick and a spring roll. But that's us, guys. We'll see you guys at the airport.
Okay. We all checked in now. We're just waiting to board our plane. So while we're waiting, we're gonna have a nice cup of coffee and a Lamington. But if you're ever going through Potatadu, remember to stop off at Bevs. They got some of the nicest pastries, some of the nicest mini savories that you ever want to eat, and other bakery goods. So give them a try if you're going through.
In the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
Look, I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion and it's mine.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I dance around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment. Yeah, city of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
Check how high that goes. I'm actually at the, oh, the lights went on. I am actually at the edge of the rail. Probably because I'm looking up, but that's high. Now we are at the top of the cable car, and this is the sort of things that you can see while you're up here. This is pretty amazing, and as you can see, the beautiful view, the entrance of the Wellington Botanical Gardens, and it is at the top of the cable car track. I'm not sure if that's what you'd call it. And then you get this beautiful view of Wellington. Beautiful. I think Wellington took the height scareness out of me, because I feel pretty comfortable when I'm at the edge of something like this. What are you thinking so far, Mike?
This is wonderful.
Wonderful. So this is the cable car, Wellington cable cars. It's in here. Oh my goodness, I just saw these like that. And I was like, hey, somebody's looking at me. But this is the cable car, and we're at the top. So this is a 3D map. Pretty cool. But there's the cable car right there. So that's what we came up on. And so the cable car cost is $9 return for an adult. And I think it was like, I can't remember. I'll take a photo of it when we get back down the bottom. But it's definitely something to check out, because there's a few things that you can do while you're up here. We've actually come quite late. It's 7 p.m. It's still daylight savings here in New Zealand at the moment. But yeah, we thought we'll just give it a try. We're probably going to come up tomorrow as well while I'm in meetings, and check out all the things that are up here. So, the place that Mike has decided to take us to dinner means you got to come up all these stairs and now walk up this hill.
Okay, what up, y'all? We ended up at Sal's for the night. We have landed in Wellington, so we're gonna now get involved with some pizza, some nice buffalo wings. Not on the hot ones though. I ain't ready for that tonight, but yeah, we're just gonna get into this, and we're gonna end this part of the video, and we're gonna take you to around tomorrow, so join us for that. Okay, y'all, now the flight down to Wellington, it was, for me, I haven't been on a plane in 3 years now. Today was my first flight. Oh my Lord, it was good. It was a little rise and shine up in the air. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That kind of scared me a little bit, but I had to get over my jitters and get back into flight mode, and that's what I did. So, yep, the flight down was great. The landing was perfectly smooth, and we got on tarmac, and I just seen some things I ain't never seen before, my first time in Wellington. Then once we landed, we got dropped off at our hotel, checked in smoothly, no hiccups, no nothing. And then we decided to go for a tiki tour, and now we ended up here. We ended up at on the ticket tour to the cable car, so we went up, saw the beautiful view of the part of the city of Wellington. It's just absolutely amazing. Then we came back down and we come through the tunnels, and I tell you, there's some of the light shows in the tunnel. That was something I've never seen before. That was absolutely, it did. It just reminded us of Vegas, and I tell you what, man, that was just absolutely amazing. Now, hopefully we don't get concorded for the music in the background. Sorry, can't do nothing about that. That's just playing. So, yep, the travel down here, like I said, was absolutely wonderful. Enjoyed it. We did our little ticket tour but now we're just gonna enjoy dinner, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. So until then, peace.